Feasibility study and its importance in project management. A feasibility study is a thorough examination of whether a proposed project or business idea is practical and likely to succeed. It involves analyzing factors like market demand, technical capabilities, financial viability, operational logistics, legal requirements, environmental impact, and potential risks. Understanding a feasibility study. A feasibility study is a comprehensive analysis conducted during the early stages of project planning to determine the practicality and viability of a proposed project or business endeavor. Types of feasibility study. Market feasibility study. This type of study is essential when considering a new product or service. Financial feasibility study. Financial feasibility is crucial to assess the project's profitability and financial viability. Here are several key reasons why conducting a feasibility study is crucial. Risk identification and mitigation. A feasibility study helps identify potential risks and challenges associated with a project. Cost-benefit analysis. One of the primary purposes of a feasibility study is to assess the financial feasibility of a project. Benefits of a feasibility study. A feasibility study offers a multitude of benefits that are invaluable to organizations and stakeholders contemplating new projects or business ventures. What is included in a feasibility study report? A comprehensive feasibility study report typically includes the following key sections and information. Executive summary. This section provides a concise overview of the entire feasibility study, summarizing its main findings and recommendations. Tools for conducting a feasibility study. Microsoft Excel. Use it for financial calculations and modeling. Survey software. Collect market data through tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms. Here are some examples of feasibility studies. Real estate development. Before embarking on a real estate project, such as constructing a residential or commercial building, a feasibility study is conducted. Product launch. When a company plans to launch a new product, a feasibility study is conducted to determine if there's a market for it. What is the purpose of a feasibility study? The primary purpose of a feasibility study is to comprehensively evaluate the viability and potential success of a proposed project or business endeavor. Here are 7 essential steps to conduct a feasibility study. Clearly outline the purpose, goals, and objectives of the feasibility study. Collect all relevant data and information needed for the study. Evaluate the market feasibility by researching and analyzing factors like market size, growth trends, competition, customer preferences, and demand for the product or service. Assess the technical feasibility by examining the required technology, equipment, and infrastructure. Conduct a comprehensive financial analysis, including cost estimations, revenue projections, cash flow analysis, and ROI calculations. Evaluate the operational feasibility of the project by analyzing how it will function in practical terms. Identify and assess potential risks and uncertainties associated with the project. Feasibility study versus business plan. Feasibility study. Purpose. The primary purpose of a feasibility study is to assess the viability and feasibility of a proposed project or business idea. Timing. Feasibility studies are typically conducted in the early stages of project development, often before significant resources are invested. Business plan. Purpose. A business plan serves as a detailed blueprint for the actual operation and management of a business. Timing. Business plans are typically developed after the feasibility study, once the decision to proceed with the project has been made. Reasons to do a feasibility study. Risk assessment. A feasibility study helps identify potential risks and challenges associated with the project. Informed decision-making. Conducting a feasibility study ensures that decision-makers have comprehensive information to make informed choices about whether to proceed with the project, make modifications, or abandon it. Reasons not to do a feasibility study. Low complexity. For very simple projects with minimal investment and known market demand, a full-scale feasibility study may be unnecessary. Urgency. In cases where time is of the essence, such as responding to rapidly changing market conditions, conducting a lengthy feasibility study may not be feasible. Conclusion. In conclusion, A feasibility study is an indispensable tool in the process of evaluating the potential success and viability of a proposed project or business venture. It serves as a critical decision-making guide, providing stakeholders with a comprehensive understanding of the project's feasibility, risks, and financial viability.